Alright, this is going to blow your mind. If you're a graphic designer and you like to use unique, high quality images for your flyers, for any of your design, you're going to love this thing. I just discovered it not long ago and I'm going to show you. You know how you can use Meta AI or basically any image generation, AI image generation tool to create images for your design, to generate AI images, right? And most times the issue is that these platforms, whether it's Meta AI, whatever, they need you to put a detailed prompt for them to be able to produce like the kind of image that you want. You can literally use ChatGPT to get those prompts if you find it hard to generate detailed prompts. And it's not hard. Let me show you something. I was creating a thumbnail yesterday and I came on to ChatGPT and this is the prompt I used. You can see it right here. I said, can you generate a text prompt? This is it. That will generate a hyperrealistic image stable for a YouTube video with the title blah 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 blah. And at first, ChatGPT went ahead to generate an image for me, which was not bad. Like the image went well. Like you can see, the image was not bad. And then I was like, I didn't even know ChatGPT could generate images. Then I said make it 16:9 ratio, and it did. You can see it's not bad either. This one is nice too. Yeah, you can see it's nice too. Like it's detailed prompts. So I was now like, okay, I need to use a better tool to generate this image, and what I need is a prompt. So all I did was to add this phrase at the end. I said I need a suitable prompt for that, and it gave me a prompt. And you could see that I did a modification. I said, can you make the prompt also feature a masked man in the style of Money Heist movie? And it edited it and added, you can see it added it. I didn't know what they call the mask, that mask that they wear. I don't know what they call it, but you can see it added the name of the mask, Salvador Dali mask. It said red jumpsuit. So you can see that you can use ChatGPT to get well detailed image prompts, and you can edit the prompts by yourself. So that is what I'm going to be showing you in this video today. Welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Oyedika Israel. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe now. And with that being said, let's get right into it. So let's create a new chart. Now the first thing you want to do is you just want to follow this basic. Now you can edit this, but you just want to follow this basic rule that you tell ChatGPT the nature of what you want. If possible, put what you are using the image for there. So I said, can you create a text prompt that will generate a hyper realistic image? Make sure you're putting this hyper realistic. Most times it helps to get images that look real, that it will be hard to tell that, oh, this is AI. So can you generate a text prompt that would create a text prompt? What am I saying? Can you create a text prompt that will generate a hyper realistic image suitable for, okay, let's not do a YouTube video now, let's say suitable for a business flyer, a business promotional flyer for a hair product brand. Okay, the image should, okay, let's say a realistic image of a model. I want to use a model. We don't want to go to Free Pick or any of those conventional sites. We want something unique of a model suitable for a business promotional flyer. The image should be in HD square size and have a background that is easily removable. I need a stable prompt for that, so make sure you add this last clause. I need a stable prompt for that. Then let's just send and give it some time. You see it's already generating. See, it's adding things that I never would have added. You can see it there. It says confident female model with flawless, shiny, voluminous hair that flows naturally. The background is plain white. You can see it incorporated that. It says the background is plain white, ensuring that it is clean and easily removable. The lighting is soft yet bright, blah blah blah. The image is in HD. Okay, so I could modify this now. Let's say I want it for an African model. I could say, can you, like, I don't want a white model. You're designing for a Nigerian brand and using a white lady's image. That is unprofessional. Can you incorporate into the prompt that the image should be of an African dark-skinned woman, and send. It's going to modify the prompt and make sure it puts a confident African woman. You can see it there. So all I have to do is just copy this, or select text, click select text, and then just select this part without the quotation marks. Just select and then just copy. Then you can take that prompt that you just copied and go over to Meta AI, easily paste it, and it will generate the image, right? But in this video, we're not using Meta AI, we're using a better tool, a sharper tool that is free, that is very mind-blowing. And this is the Google, it's an image generation tool by Google. So it's called Image FX. Just go type Image FX on your browser. Let's turn off desktop site. Type Image FX on your browser, and you can just click on the first link that pops up, and it will prompt you to sign in if it's your first time. It's very easy. Just sign in with your Google account. Very easy, very not hard at all. Then all you want to do is to paste. Now there's something about this site. Immediately you paste, it will start generating automatically. It will not allow you to edit anything. That's why you have to copy the quotation marks. You have to remove the quotation marks and copy only the prompt. So just click, and you can see here. Okay, it did not start generating. That's interesting. So just click there. It starts generating. It starts. So we're going to just give it some time. If your network is strong, it will be fast. It should be fast. So you see, what it does is that it goes through the prompts, and that's why it's amazing. It goes through the points and it picks up adjectives, it picks up the major things, and then generates stuff. So you see that now it just generated something very, very amazing. And if you don't like this, you can just click again here, and it's going to regenerate. Yes, it's going to regenerate or reimagine it and give you something new. And you can just keep regenerating in case you don't like it. Just keep regenerating until you find something suitable. And when you do, all you need to do is to click on this middle download icon here, and it's going to just start downloading. So you can use this for you can see different options, different variations. Once you slide, you can see different variations. So I think I like this one. I would download it if I was working. You can see how real, how hyper realistic this skin looks. It looks like an actual person, but it is AI generated. So you don't even have to worry with copyright issues and all of that. Now, this does not just apply to images per se. It does not just apply to exact images. You can do the same thing with that same prompt for let me just copy it and paste. You can do the same thing for a background. Let's say, can you create a text prompt that will generate a professionally manipulated background image suitable for background image. So let's just remove all of these parts. Now, this text prompt, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add the sample of this text prompts in the description of this video, and you should go ahead and you can go ahead and just copy my own text prompts and use them. I'm just going to add these text prompts. So background image suitable for a church flyer design. The image should be HD square side. Okay, now we don't need the background removable, so the image should be HD square size, and what other word should I use for a church flyer design with the theme open heavens? Yes, let's do it like that, and be befitting for the theme of the flyer. So let's just send that, and yep, see, it just does everything. Tells you the scene, features, blah blah blah. All you need to do is select text, copy out this part, and take it over I didn't copy that properly, but just because I don't want to make sure you copy yours properly. So just do and paste. You see it started generating automatically. It didn't wait for me to have time to edit and remove the quotation marks, but it should work. I guess, I presume it should work with quotation marks there. So let's see image effects blow our mind. I think this image effects is one of the best AI image generating tools I have come across. So let's see how it goes. What is going on? Why is it taking a lot of time? Is it my network? Yes, and let me use the opportunity to remind you that if you're not subscribed to this YouTube channel, that's not nice. That is really not nice. Why are you not subscribed? I mean, I share very amazing tutorials on this channel and you're not subscribed. I pour out my heart and share these tutorials. The least you could do is subscribe. And yeah, you could go ahead and like this video as well. And you could also go ahead and leave a comment. And if you also share the video, it's not a bad thing. Yes, so subscribe, like, comment, share. Just show me support. It really means a lot to me and to this channel. Yes, and if there are other tutorials that you'd like for me to teach you or to create videos about, don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section. That is what I'm here for. As always, just let me know. I'll create a video around that. This is taking a little bit of time, so I'll just pause the video. And alright, so you see it just generated the first set of images. We have this, you can see open heavens, we have this. So you see very unique images. We have this. Now I'm thinking of something. I've not tried this before, but let's try something. So let's say that I found an image somewhere and I just need something similar. Let me oh no. And I just needed something similar to that image, but I don't know the type of prompt. I don't know what to call it. Can I upload an image to ChatGPT and ask it to generate for me an image in that style? I'm just wondering. So let me see if I can find something like that. What image should I use? Okay, I've still not found the image to use. Let me go back. I think I'm in the wrong place. Some of these designs that I see, let me check if I can find any design. Pinterest. Where's my Pinterest folder? Okay, for want of time, so that this video doesn't get too long, let's just use this. Let me just use this. So let me upload an image and then let me just type a message and say, and the same thing, that are same prompts. Can you generate a text prompt? Can you create a text to generate a hyperrealistic image? Alright, can you generate a text prompt that will generate this kind of image? So the idea is that maybe you see something in somebody's flyer and an image and you want to really generate it. Like, can you upload? Wow, that worked. See, it said hyper-realistic image of a crown. So let me see if I can replicate that crown. So let's say you see something in somebody's image, in somebody's flyer, all this Koinonia flyer, and you just want that particular part. You can actually crop that particular part as an image and upload it here to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a prompt for it, and to actually do that. That's crazy. I'm just trying this for the first time and it's seeming to work out. So let's just paste and see. Okay, let's see how it goes. I hope this works out. It has to work out. It should work out. Please work out. This changes everything. Like, this is some crazy discovery. Fingers crossed. Drum rolls. Wow. Wow, you can see it just did that. Now, of course, it's not exact, but you can literally see the resemblance. Like, this changes everything. This means I can get a Koinonia flyer, pick out a part of it. Like, this is amazing, and this is the kind of tutorial we share on this channel. So yes, I hope you found it helpful. If you don't like it, remember you can always click here to regenerate and all of that. It's free, no watermark, it's high quality. I know you found this video helpful, so subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.